This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the new unwanted browser extension that is called Mix Colors. Mix Colors is indeed an unwanted browser extension that now attacks Google Chrome. The developers of this particular extension indicate that by installing it, you will be able to change the colors of the websites that you visit. Maybe this feature is helpful for some categories of people, but the trouble is that this mix color extension actually operates as adware. Once installed, it starts displaying the great portion of advertisements that will be displayed in the right part of your computer screen or in some other parts. These ads are not related to the sites that you visit, and this adware may also point you to many shady and deceptive pages on the web. So mixed colors is not a good application for your computer. We recommend you to remove it immediately by going to, well, first of all, let us install it for the demonstration purposes, and if it was installed without your permissions, remove it. Access the menu, More Tools, Extensions. Once you find this Mix Colors extension, disable and remove it. So this is done. Finally, I would recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.